Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be showing you the diagnostic location and the fuse boxes on this Mercedes C200. This is 2010 model. So just going to take you to the diagnostic socket location, which is just under the footwell of the driver's side. Okay, so it's just here. So all you do is just pull this cover, and that's the diagnostic socket location. So just gonna take you to the engine compartment and to the boot as well, where there is a fuse box. Right friends, here we go. This is the location for the engine compartment fuse box on this C200. Okay, so two clips to undo, one here, other one just here, and you just lift the cover up. Okay, there we go. So all the relays and the fuses are here. So to find out which one is which, you can refer to the user manual. Just gonna put the lid back on. There we go. Just gonna take you to the boot area. Right friends, here we go. Now I'm in the boot area of this car. So the second fuse box is just here behind this panel. You got a couple of relays and the fuses here. As I mentioned before, you can refer to the user manual to find out which fuse is which. There we go friends. Thank you very much for watching the video.